Mate, where have you been?
Just around, mate. And you know what? Someone is after us.
Yes, but who? And why?
Because you did something terrible back there in my tea garden, you!
Virat, it's no big deal.
Yeah?
These people mean nothing. Besides, who would kill Rajesh and Pollock for that? This Sankar fellow. The ghost of Ashtami.
You never know.
What do you mean? Are you involved?
Nobody. Not me. But God. I guess he's the master here, right? And he's having awesome fun with evildoers like you.
You bastard.
That's what! Borya Shankar! Come on, go! Go, go!
শঙ্কর শিকারী শিকার করবলে হেসিয়াত
शंकर पुलिस आई है सर जा यहाँ पर जा गो शंकर पला यहाँ पर दौड़
हाँ जी बाजी अपनी गड्डी है
जल्दी चलो Oh my god. This is not safe. Ikaw sa akin Maria. Mukhang takila. Bikon na ito.
The high speed pursuit is moving, right? Backup's on its way.
Go move fast. It's there. Ikon ka rin. Careful. Careful. Aram se.
Excuse me, have you seen the black Porsche drive by?
Black Porsche. Oh yes, a couple of hours ago. Saw it go up there.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Thank you
Oh,
very
you're
much.
welcome.
That way. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Oh, that went okay, didn't it?
and thank you so much I really appreciate
Oh,
it I
that's
really
so
do thank
sweet.
you see you
Bye. Okay.
पता नहीं कितने रह गए आ ही नहीं तक ओ वो आ गए
Paano eh?
जल्दी निकलो लो यार हाँ आओ
नहीं मैं बड़ी बात
जल्दी करो जल्दी जल्दी हाँ यार आ
कम फास्ट कम
अच्छा भगवान ने 10 मिनट दे दिया 10 मिनट लेट हो जाता तो सब लिखा मेरा था हाँ इस तरफ कम आ जाओ आओ जल्दी आओ देर कर दिया आपने अगर आप देर में नहीं आते ना तो काम खराब हो जाना था इस तरफ कम आ जाओ
जुआ
মাস্টারের স্থান রক্ষা করিব না তুই মোৰ কাৰণে জীৱনটো কৰিলা মই কেতিয়াও নপাৰোঁ মোৰ জীৱনলৈ কোনোবা আহক বা নাহক মই নাজানো কিন্তু তুমি সদায় মোৰ জীৱনত এটা বিশেষ জেগাত থাকিবা ইয়াত যদি অসম আহা মোক লগ কৰিবা আহিবা चिंता किए बिना आराम से घर पहुंचो जाओ
शंकर तो कहना क्या बुला ली
আয় বলো মার্কিন কবি বিরাই দিলে চল বাগান চল বাগান চল বল আর একটা হিসাব বাকি আছে
Did you find anything?
Look, that's it. I'm Pran Goswami, CID. What's your name?
My name's Josh.
I'd like to see footages of this camera and that camera.
Yes, no problem.
Your Lordship, it was Martin who killed Rajesh and Palak. They were his business associates. And off late, Martin was having an issue with both of them. And he wanted to get rid of them. And that's why, using those indigenous techniques,